So next task we'll do. Last thing, what happens if you provide only one vector to plot? Assume if I give only plot Germany, what will happen? Usually we are plotting here versus Germany, right? So if I write or plot Germany, what will happen? Can anybody answer this question? Can anybody answer this question? If I just give plot Germany, what will happen? What will happen if I just give plot Germany? So I have not included the year, right? So what will be the year axis? It will be starting from 1. See here. So when you don't include year, it will start from 1. And how many ever elements are there in Germany? It will start from 1 to that one. See, Germany has 19 elements, so your year will start from 1 to 19. So that is the one thing. If you don't include x-axis in your plot, x-axis will be taken default starting from 1. So for example, here we are plotting the price of Germany, right? So here Germany has 19 elements. So in the workspace, you see Germany has 19 elements. If you want to see what is the content of workspace, you can write the command whose. If you see whose, you can see here what are the contents of Germany. Germany has 19 elements and year has 19 elements. So if you don't use that plot year, then by default, the x-axis will be taken from 1 to 19. So the meaning of the graph itself is lost, right? Because we are plotting it between year and the country. When you don't mention the year, the meaning is going to be completely lost. So that is how we have understood plots. Now a small quiz. Vectors x and y must be same length to produce plot. If I use plot x comma y, x and y must be of same length. What is the answer? The answer is true or false. Answer, I am getting it as false. We'll check the answer. Shall I submit the answer false? I think the answer false is wrong. Yes. So whenever you are going to plot any two variables, both must be of the same size. If you don't use, then MATLAB will throw an error saying they are not of the same size. So please remember, this is a common mistake we do. I have done this mistake a lot of times. Whenever you are plotting two variables, both should be of the same size. Otherwise, MATLAB will throw an error. So see here, you have a vector t and d. T is 15, 20, 25, 30, and d is 7, 10, 8, 9. So can anybody say which answer is correct? A, B, assume the options are A, B, C, D. Which answer is correct? T is 15, 20, 25, 30, and I am plotting T comma D, T in x-axis and D in y-axis. I think, can anybody say which answer is correct? I am showing you the T and D values. Now I am showing you the graphs. See, when T is 15, D is 7. 15 comma 7. When T is 20, D is 10. T is 20, D is 10. When T is 25, D is 8. When T is 25, D is 8. When T is 30, D is 9. So I think the first thing is correct according to me. So we'll see whether the answer is correct or not. I have selected this option A. Yes, this is correct. Now the reverse, plot D comma T. Same vectors T and D. Now see the plot is reversed. It is plot D comma T. Will the answer be same? I don't think the answer will be same. So what will be the plot now? Plot will be shifted. This will be rotated. If you rotate the first thing, what answer you get? That one. I think the answer should be C. It's just like in signals and systems, you would have studied time shifting and time scaling, right? Same thing. If you interchange the order of plotting, I have checked C. Let's see if C is correct. Yes. The previous case, I am plot D comma D, so this is the graph. So D comma D means this will come to x-axis, this will go to y-axis. The figure will be shifted. It will be shifted by 90 degrees. So by that logic, if I say, I will see the answer C is going to be my answer.